Hello guys, welcome back to Country Legend. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of this Kodak MicroSD card, 64 gigabytes. We're going to test the quality to see if this SD card is legit. Got this SD card from TikTok shop. So this does look legit. It's from the company Kodak. So yeah, without further ado, let's get this open. So we're going to open this up. As you can see, it's not even that hard to open. You can see we've opened SD card. And yeah, this is what we get. We get this plastic case. We don't need this anymore. This is the micro SD card to SD card adapter. So let's open it up. We're going to do an inspection to see how good the quality is. This is the card. First, we're going to review the SD card. So this is what it looks like. Looks quite decent quality. As you can see, it says here, it's made in China. And then we've got this adapter. Plunk it in here. As you can see, it goes in here. So yeah, what we're going to do, I'm going to put this in the computer and I'm going to see the performance. Alright, so as you can see here, I've plugged in my Kodak SD card. I'm going to go into that folder now, and as you can see, this is where it shows up in the folder. So you can see that it's 58.2 gigabytes, essentially 60 gigabytes. And as you can see, it's formatted as an exFAT. It just shows the Kodak icon. So they put that on. It's last modified in 2018. And for some reason, the auto runs from 2027. I'm not sure why. This is where it shows up in the auto run. So it's basically just so you can see the icon. But if you're going to put it in the camera, you're going to format it and you're going to lose the icon anyway. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy some files to this SD card and see how fast it is. Alright, so I've got a 2 gigabyte file over here, which I'm going to copy to the SD card. And we're going to see how long it takes to write to the actual SD card. So as you can see, we're writing at a speed of, it's fluctuating down and up. So this is not exactly 2 gigabytes, it's around 2 gigabytes, but I'm going to lay on the screen how long it's taking anyway. As you can see, it's waving, it's going up and down. Alright, so as you can see, 2 gigabyte file is on the SD card now. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to fill up this whole SD card. I've got a 56 gigabyte folder full of videos. I'm going to put that inside the SD card. I'm going to see how long it takes. So it's saying estimated it's going to take 13 minutes to copy the file. So this is to ensure that this SD card is legit and every single file is readable. I'm going to fill up this whole SD card. Alright, so the folder has been copied to the SD card with only 268 megabytes left in the SD card. So yeah, that took 20 minutes and 20 seconds to copy to this SD card, including this 2 gigabyte SD card file. So I'll put that on the screen right now. So this is the folder. It's all full of Fortnite clips that are from our PS4. We're going to review every single clip, and as you can see, every single clip is readable without any issues. There's no issue. Every single video I click on is playable. So yeah, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a retest now. I'm going to copy this 2 gigabyte file back to another hard drive. So I'm going to copy it to here. So as you can see, we're reading at 100 megabytes. Alright, so that wraps up my video on reviewing this 64 gigabyte micro SD card from Kodak. So yeah, it's a really good SD card. I strongly recommend it. You can get it from TikTok shop. You can even get it from AliExpress. Just make sure you get a legit version of it. It's got fast speeds. Every single file that I've copied to this SD card, it was readable, so no files got corrupted, meaning this SD card is legit. Yeah, the speed is as it's promised, 100 megabytes per second. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap up this video now. It should be good for 4K video recording, so you can put it in your camera or action camera or drone. So yeah, I'm going to wrap up this video now. Thank you for watching, and I'll speak to you in the next one.